Okay, now so the screen resolution is 3000 by 3000 RGB since I'm not printing. Okay, now Control and minus to zoom out. If you want to zoom in, just use Control and plus, or Control and equal to. So I plot in a rectangle and I set it 3000, the dimension of the shape, the canvas. So when I just hit it, it magically brings out the shape I created to the size of the canvas. So I went there, I left click to remove the border. I right click to give it a shape, a color, change the color of the shape, and I hit P to put it at the center. So I'm just trying to show, okay, this is me now bringing new elements, okay, which happens to be my background. So let's click. Okay, I was trying to apply Gaussian blur here, so I'm trying to get one that fits my to my taste. Okay, now I think I got one. Now power click, left click and power click. Just resize it to your taste and just put the place you want. Exact place. Okay, this is where I want for my background, so that's where I'm actually using. No, P will actually just hit P on your keyboard. It will make the background just come to the center of your canvas. I think that's quite easy. But I actually like working in the power click. That's why you see when I was trying to, you see when I'll be trying to drag the guide, the ruler, but it wasn't reflecting because I was working in the power clip. I actually prefer working in the power clip just because I know my way around it. Okay, this is me now bringing the whole element. All I did was just to highlight everything and bring them in Coreldraw. You see, most Coreldraw users actually bring their elements in before they start designing. This is not like Photoshop where Coreldraw you can just place it. So they are outside the power clip. That's why they are reflecting like this. The lady and the body lotion. So I just brought that one inside. So you can leave this like this if you like these petals here. Now please ignore the fact that I just changed the color to black. Just ignore it, just follow this process. Use replace color and change the color to whatever I change it to here. So this is everything you need. Just ignore the process that is now black. Just follow this one and just resize it. You're good to go. So these are the font I used, Montserrat and a vertical. Now the reason I use a vertical is because I didn't like how my Montserrat regular was giving me the feel it was giving me. It was giving me bold instead of regular. So that's why I just went to choose a vertical theme. I think it was was it? I just choose a very, very small part of a vertical. When you're creating design, don't use more than 2 fonts. That's why I just use that. So I think I would just like to speed this process of the text. Then I use monochromatic color for the entire design. What I mean by monochromatic color is that I just choose a particular shade of color, lighter pink, brighter pink. That's what I use for my text and everything. So that's everything I used here. So I'm going to be fast forwarding this process because everything I'll be using, the color I used, I got it from the product, I think the skincare. Now when I use hue and saturation only works for colors. It doesn't work for neutral colors like white and black. So it works for pink, green, whatever the color may be. Now for my headline, I always like using, as in the name of the logo, Montserrat bold. So I'll skip this process. The only place I changed the color was your skin is unique and delicate. Those words, unique and delicate. I just changed the color. I used the color of the logo. Alright, so we see at the other side. Now the reason I brought this rectangle was because I was working outside the power clip, inside the power clip, sorry, and I needed something to guide me for alignment. That's why I brought in this particular rectangle. If you watch closely, after I finished typing, I deleted it. Now the reason why I spent, okay, maybe we'll just get there and I'll explain. Now for this part, I used Montserrat regular. Now if you look at it, the regular is still giving me this bold feel. So that's where I actually had problem. I actually made use of it here. What I typed here was CFI, the brand name, CFI, the letter CFI, and I used a social media icon font. You'll get it in the description of this video. I uploaded it there. And so okay, when I used it, I just highlighted CFI and I applied the font, just the social media handle font. Changed the font CFI to C is for Instagram, F is for Facebook, I is for LinkedIn. Now there are some features, things I did again. If your Coreldraw is not having this objects bar, bringing this status bar, you can just bring the object you want to bring in, just click on it and go to the options and bring it in front of whatever object you want to bring it in front of. So that's everything I did. It's not something magical.